So we need to talk. What go on?
You know exactly what we need to talk about. So start talk.
First of all, I want to tell you thanks. Thanks for what you do for Mumsel. Thanks for what you do for Destiny. It's appreciated.
The thanks is really for Destiny. Because if things would go according to how according go, there would be no Mumsel if there was no Destiny.
I know overs what you say.
Well, since you're not overs, we make your handles. Mumsel, as you affectionately call her, almost killed a minister daughter, and I was supposed to put it nicely, fix that situation. It wasn't until I was made aware of the situation with her, and that eventually changed the destiny of exactly what was supposed to happen.
I hear about that story there, you know, but I don't hear the 100 I know.
Let me tell you something. It is clear you don't really know a whole heap about her. At one point she get involved with a minister. Involved. Have the minister money, credit card, access to the minister, everything. But at some point she starts with the minister's daughter as her stepdaughter. And when the girl now take on that, she decides to take her out of the picture. We need to understand a kind of mix up individual this way I deal with it. First, your child end up in the hands of another man who she says the father. Then she end up with a minister, almost kill him daughter. Then I forgot literally abduct our own child from the man she says the father, get me involved. And next thing you know, we have to ship her out of the country. You are saying you don't know the 100, you don't even know the 50.
I'm just glad to say I have my daughter around the state. But that's one thing. There is another problem. You see, the Andrew brother, you know, I feel like he might hunt me down, you know. When I go to school, the fun day thing, I feel an eye watch me. But I just never know from which angle. And then, if I put the icing on the cake, the security see me the next day. And him said to me, say, him see a man watch me. And that might be Andrew.
Let me tell you exactly what kind of animal we are dealing with us when it comes to this youth. This is a man who went deep in a MIU. He has been on whole heap of special missions around the world. He got Iraq or Afghanistan, several other tours of duty. Get Purple Heart, about 9 different medals. Never been shot before until you see now it's personal. And him now gonna stop. Whether land, sea or underwater, him now stop until him hold you. The worst kind of death possible. Or him find somebody close to you.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Whisper, you alright?
Limatel, remember, you are protected by Zanzibar.
You need another drink?
Get up,
Yeah, man.
get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up.